Hello. Fashion is a distinctive and constant trend in the style in which person dresses.
It is the styles in behavior and the newest creation of designers, technologists, engineers, and design managers. Because the more technical term costume in regular linked to the term fashion, the use of the former has been regulated to special senses like fancy dresses or masquerade wear, while the fashion generally mean clothing, including the study of it. Although aspect of fashion can be feminine or masculine. And if we talk about fashion, we have to talk about the history of fashion, especially in 1858. The history of fashion design is normally understood to date from 1858, when the English-born Charles Frederick Worth opened the first true haute couture house in Paris. The haute house was the name established by government for the fashion house that met the standard of industry. This fashion house have to adhere to standards such as keeping at least 20 employees engaged in making the clothes, showing 2 collections per year at fashion shows, and presenting a certain number of patterns to consumers. Since then, the idea of the fashion designer as a celebrity in his or her own right has become increasingly dominant. Fashion is becoming one of the main interests for all people as a priority. Some people see in their way of wearing and choosing clothes a way to express themselves and be more confident. But fashion is not only in clothes. Fashion is in footwear, lifestyle, product, accessory, makeup, hairstyle, body, and even in way of building house and choosing color and everything. Fashion is a way not only to show new collections, but fashion too is an identity for many countries, as we see that every country or parts in the world have their own styles and manner of dressing.
Going into pink next.
We're standing by with all 5 pink girls on our side.
As fashion has become a kind of addiction for most people, many companies have taken advantages of this area to earn a lot of money from the making of all that is new and different and adapt with the different style of people and their choices. That's why we see a lot of clothing brands full of shops and even online sales points in order to win the most. And many international stylists display their collection several times in year in fashion shows, as we will see now.
From the streets of Miami to presenting at the Grammys, con el molito de Jennifer. Maybe now you understand.